Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belle, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how I do these curls that I feature in most Instagram photos and YouTube videos that you guys have asked so often for. So today I'm going to be doing it for you. I'll run through hair care, extensions, all that kind of stuff, and yeah, I hope you really like it. Let's go. This is what my natural hair looks like. I've had my extensions taken out. I did have tape extensions in, but we've been trying to grow my natural hair and get it like to its healthiest. So they're out, and this is what it looks like. I actually don't mind the length, but I'm not sure if I'm vibing the brown color. I feel like I always change my mind. But so I've just washed my hair and let it air dry. This is what it looks like, and I've used a few products to let it air dry nicely and also get it prepped for the heat that I'm going to be using. The shampoo and conditioner that I use is the Virtue Labs shampoo and conditioner, which is this one. It's just like a more like restorative, kind of like helps like build up your hair strength again, because I was really blonde and I was using Heat on it without heat protectant, which is crazy, but yeah, that's what I was doing, so I need to look after it now. And a few other products that I have used, Virtue healing oil. I love this. I think you can get the Virtue products from Sephora. They're my favorite hair products at the moment, and have been for a while. This healing oil is like super light, gets rid of like the dry looking kind of end kind of bits, and then I have the split end serum, which I put on when it's wet, and just let it dry, or you can blow dry it or something like that. Product that I use is this, I don't know how to say it, Iles formula, I don't know, but it's this. It's like a finishing serum, perfect for blow drying. Is like a heat protectant, makes your hair like super silky, super soft, and yeah, my hair feels like genuinely like so good considering. And then I've also just put in a heat protectant, which is this GHD one. I'm gonna spray it one more time, and then whilst that's in, I just blow dry it quickly on like a low kind of heat. So I'm gonna do that quickly. Okay, so that's just the heat protectant, dried through the hair. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go in and put my extensions in. These are my extensions. I wish I could tell you the color and the brand Zala, but they used to be blonde and I dyed them, so they match this hair color. So I don't know what the color would be, but I'm sure they have like a brown kind of color. And then I've also had them, I also cut them myself to fit like the length, because they were like super long, and this is what they look like. They're kind of crazy at the moment, but I am gonna put this serum in it, in the extensions before I like curl them, just to give them like a bit of like more soft kind of feel. After using this serum like on my natural hair, like it like has made my hair feel so much more soft and so much like shinier and just healthier in general. So I'm hoping it'll do the same to the extensions. This one's really lightweight, blends into the hair like perfect. I'm just gonna put it in like the end kind of bits of the extensions and hope that like, I think it'll just make them feel a lot better, I think. Usually I do straighten them before I curl them. I like it when they're like already smooth to start with, because then the curl I feel like looks a lot better, even though I mess it up a little bit. Alright, so they are all done. I think they feel a lot better, and they don't feel like dry or anything. I feel like clip-in extensions are really hard to keep like super smooth and healthy, so I think that really worked. There's like a 3 like clip hair extension, and then there's 2 5-clip ones. I haven't been like loving the like massive like long hair. Oh, this is the look. The massive like really like long hair at the moment. I've just been liking how these look. They look natural. They don't look like clip-ins or anything, and that's the kind of look I've been going for. But you could definitely do this with like massive extensions. I've done it for festivals and stuff. So I just like clip them in. I don't tease my hair or anything, because my hair kind of like holds onto them. And for anyone wondering, I get my hair color done at Edwards & Co in Surrey Hills, and they do have a few different locations around Australia. So this is what they look like in my hair. As you can see, there's like a bit of a step kind of going on there. I call it like a staircase kind of thing, but once they're curled and stuff, they kind of blend in a lot better. I don't really wear them straight in my hair. If I want it straight, I'll just like leave them out. So let's start curling. For my curler, I use the GHD soft curl tong. I love this so much. It's like kind of like a bigger kind of barrel, and I like that for more like a natural kind of look. I feel like for longer hair as well, it's like really nice. And then I'll use my nails to like part down. Sorry, I keep looking here, but it's my only mirror that I have right now, so you're gonna have to excuse me. So I just grab like the back section, and I do all the curls away from my face on each side. So on this side I rotate them that way, and on this side I rotate them that way. I wrap it around. You can see my hair's like sticking out a little, but I can like touch that up. And I just hold it there for a bit. And that's what the curl looks like. I try not to touch it. I just like twist it and like let it sit and cool down so it can set. And then I'll just like keep going. So I might just speed this part up and then come back to you guys. And then just for these front bits, I like grab the curl tong and I like rotate it and pull it at the same time. I find that that's like less of like a curl and more like a blow wavy kind of effect. Again, I don't touch them too much. I just let them sit and cool down. So this is both sides all done. I haven't styled or like done anything like that yet, but whilst I'm waiting for this side to cool down, this side's already cooled down, I will turn my straightener on. This is the GHD Platinum Plus. So I turn the straightener on and I'll use this to kind of just like even out the curls and make it a bit more like wavy rather than curly, because I like that. And then if I like don't like the way it's like sitting around my face, I'll just like pull it and like shape it so when it cools down it like fits my face nicely. So my straightener is ready, so I am just going to grab like the end bits and just like run the straightener through the end bits so it's not so like curly at the bottom. And then I'll also do it around like the mid lengths where like the curls kind of stick out a little, and then around the face too. Just like keep playing around with like the curler and then the straightener. It's probably how my hair got so dry in the first place, and I wasn't using heat protectant. I think this is fine as long as you don't do it too often and you're using a really good heat protectant. The GHD one is really good. And then all the products that I've shown you also have like a heat protectant kind of element to them. So that's what it looks like when I run the straightener through it. I like kind of just like reassess, give it a little bit of a zhuzh around the top. And then I'm just gonna recurl around here and just like shape it a little bit better. I play around with it for so long, wow, okay. So once I'm happy with how it looks, I'll take the Virtue Labs healing oil again, and I'll just do like one little pump. And it looks like that, and then I just like run it through around my hands and run it around the hair. This helps blend like the flyaways from my natural hair and the extensions together, and it just makes my hair feel really nice, and does the same for the extensions. And this is what it looks like. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys really liked this video. I know you waited a long time for it, so thank you for waiting, but I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!